Hi everyone, and welcome to this Google Analytics training course. I'm Krista Seiden, and I'll be your instructor. Now that you've mastered the fundamentals of Google Analytics in the previous courses, let's explore more advanced features and techniques. In this course, you'll learn how to use Google Analytics to answer your key business questions. Throughout the course, you'll learn to do things like create new reports for specific use cases, use common exploration techniques, group valuable customers with segments and audiences, and link ads with analytics to optimize your marketing performance. So with that, let's get started. And as always, happy measuring!